AccuWeather forecast in just 1 minute here. This storm has been rolling in here on the East Coast. In some areas, there is a siren going off because something's happening here when the storm is here. This is our camera. You can see the cars are turning white as snow is beginning to come in. The siren just went off for a second. Here is the 7-day. Here is the forecast. Light snowfall, heavy snow in the morning and afternoon on Saturday. And it's heavy snowfall in the morning and afternoon, heavy snow. And then Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Getting back into the 50s for next week. And then February is going to be a little bit warmer chance for another snowstorm on the 9th. Let's get to the radar right now. We're going to go to Futurecast for Friday night. That's tomorrow morning. It started at 5:20 p.m. It is 5:50 right now. It is 6:50. So it's... Oh, why is this so bright? Whoa, why is this so bright? Whoa, what's it? You see now? Let me turn the brightness down on the phone. Not like all the way though, like... Or the radar. You see it now? Why is it so bright? I'm going to turn all the brightness more down. The snow comes in. Why is it so bright? You want me to get another radar from another weather channel? Okay, let me go get another one. I have to keep switching between radars because this is messed up. These radars are getting messed up. Now here's the radar. Let's zoom in. Right now, here it is, rolling in with the winter storm. Or let's check snow or winter. We are in blizzard warning. We're going to see a blizzard here all the way down to Ocean City. All the way up to Maine, where blizzard warnings are. And then here is the system right there. See all that green and blue? All that green and blue on the map is all the storm. It's right over us. We are in blizzard warnings, a coastal flood advisory. That's all until 7 p.m. tomorrow. Hear that? Hear that siren? There's 2 of them. Okay, stop. Okay, so here's the camera. If you look in the light, you could probably see the snow coming down. It is snowing anywhere. If you want me to see night vision on, let me look for night. I'll turn the flashlight on. Let me turn the brightness all the way up. Right. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning at 6